So this is a modular piece of origami. So what you're going to do is you need 3 sheets and you're going to cut them into 4 like so. And we're going to start off with one of these sheets. Okay, so what we need to do is to fold this in half like so. And again, once more the other way. And we're going to bring this little point here into the center, and the same on the other side. Now, it's not going to be like a clean fold, so you need to make sure that the point is just going right into the center there. So it's slightly off center, it's not folding flat to any of the pieces, not like an airplane. So just like that. And we're going to do the same on the other side. Just into the point. There we go. Now we're going to take the other 2 points that we've got on here, and we're going to bring these also into the center. Just like that. And the same on the other side as well. So we've got this kind of weird shape here. And what we're going to do is we're just going to fold that into half. So it comes up and creates this little wedge shape. But what we want to do as well, we want to take these 2 flaps inside that slightly overlap, and we just want to put them inside each other. So it can be a little bit fiddly. Just bring that up and slot it in there. And then we're just going to squash that flat. Okay. So now we're going to do another slightly irregular point. We're going to bring this point into the middle, and we want that just to be on a line across. So you'll see where this looks. You'll have a little bit of an overlap down the center, but you just want that edge just to meet the middle. And just like so. And we're going to do the same on the other side. And just squash that flat. Okay, so you open this back out, and that is our modular piece. So now we need to do that with all the rest of the other pieces. So once you've got all these, all we need is 3 pieces to start off with. So we're just going to move these ones out of the way. And all we're going to do is tuck each of these pieces inside the other. So this little edge is just going near the top of this point. You'll see there's a little flap. All you need to do is slide that in. Okay. And then we're going to do the same with the other piece. Just slot into that top edge there. And then you see we've got 1 flap that's overlapping left. We're just going to push that inside. Like so. And you're going to do that with the other pieces that you've got as well. So we've got 4 sections that all look the same. So now we want to take 2 of these sections, and what we're going to do is slot these in together. So same thing again, you're just going to find that little flap and push it in. And you'll see you have another little bit to overlap here. We're just going to put that in the side. Like so. It'll be a little bit loose at the moment, but don't worry, it'll firm up once it all comes in together. And then take the other next little piece, and we're going to do the same again. Just need to find the right corner, slide that in, and the next step, push that in there. And again, we've got one more overlap. We're just going to push that in. Oh, one more on here as well. Just down in the side there. So we're very nearly finished. Just need that one more piece to go in and cover that hole. So again, we're just going to put the flaps inside. Each of the sides. Really easy, because you'll see there's only one way that it can go in. So you'll see each flap has a hole to go into. And we've got our final one here. Push that together. And there we go. This would be great for a chore wheel. You could throw it like a dice, or like a dice itself. I hope you enjoyed.